Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Before I jump into the video, I do want to mention that if you are in the free Discord, that is no longer available. I cannot access that free Discord. I guess the Discord algorithm realized that I have two Discords with the same name, a premium Discord and a free Discord. So I guess it decided that I was a bot and I no longer have access to the free Discord. So if you're in the free Discord, just leave the server. I'm not there anymore. I have no access to it. I have to send a verification code to my phone number, but the problem is it's an old phone number. So I can't send like I can send a verification code. It's just I don't have that number anymore. So I've essentially lost access to it. So I just wanted to give an update on that because I know I haven't been on there for like months. So just leave it, and I'm not gonna start another free Discord because it just doesn't make sense. They're probably just gonna take it down, or they're gonna make me verify again. So there's no point. So, anyways, let's jump into the video. I do want to talk about. Yes, I did buy in. I did buy into it today. I did alert it. I did tell you guys yesterday I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down, but I'm gonna add my first position up there. Here it is. Added a double 07. I even added some eyelets today as well. We're sitting on a lot of bottoms. Bought Riot as well. Where is Riot? Yeah, we bought Riot. We're already up on our Riot position. You know, it's near the bottom again. So that's what we do on this channel. Again, the best time to join the premium Discord is at the beginning of the month. So feel free to jump in. The link is in the description below. There's a lot of bottoms right now. Let's jump into them and swing trade it to the upside. If you don't have the patience, then my Discord, my Patreon, it's not for you. We buy and we hold for weeks, sometimes months. Then the catalyst hits. It starts running up. We take our 50%, 100%, and we rinse and repeat. That's all it is, really. Anyways, I bought in my first position. I'll be looking to buy again at high 005s is where I'm looking at. And then, like I said yesterday, my biggest position, I'll add it down if it comes down to low 005s, which is going to be our biggest support. So that is what I'm looking for. The stop loss is going to be the reverse split. We know that's not going to happen this year. So essentially no stop loss in that sense. Unless like Steve surprises us and goes, guys, we're uplisting and we're gonna do the reverse split soon. And like then I'll just take the L and move on and wait to buy back in until after they uplist. And then as for sell targets, 1 penny and 126, I do believe still that we will break that eventually. They have not dropped PRs. They were on like a PR machine run. They were dropping PRs like crazy, especially the month of March, April, and May. So they haven't been dropping PRs this month so far. We'll see, because they tend to drop like 10 PRs monthly. And so far, they haven't dropped much. So we'll see. Maybe they got something cooking. And that's kind of what I'm betting on. I'm betting on the fact that I think there's something cooking here. Let's buy it in. Let's buy in right now. And then if it comes down lower, we'll buy in some more. The hot PR will eventually drop. It'll run. We'll take our profits. We'll rinse and repeat. The haters will stay hating. They'll make they'll say things like, "Oh, you were wrong. You don't know what you're doing." But then when it runs, they delete their accounts. That's what I've noticed. That's kind of funny to me. They run away like cowards when they're wrong. They don't admit it. They just run away. Funny. Well, I can't delete my YouTube account. Obviously, that wouldn't even make sense to do that. But Aitx, it's a buy. It's an AI stock. There's so much in store for this one. Yes, I am biased. Yes, I will buy an e-bike, but right now, right now, AITX, in my opinion, and I said this, look at all those buys. Man, that people are buying up right now. You see that? People buying at 0068. But anyways, and someone sold at 0066. Someone's pushing it down. Anyways, get in. Start your don't lump sum. Don't lump sum up here. Buy like 20% of your position and then we'll add another 20%. Like follow the strategy and you will make money. Don't lump sum because some people lump sum. I used to do that, but I don't do that anymore. Like if you lump summed at the top here at 1 2 for eyeless, you'd be holding a bag obviously. So don't lump sum. Add a little bit at a time, and when it does run, you'll be in the green. This is not going to go any lower in my opinion. Look at that monthly chart. On the monthly. We're on the we're at the bottom. It's the monthly, by the way. it is the monthly chart. So it takes a while for things to play out because it is the monthly. So don't think just because you're buying the bottom here on the monthly doesn't mean that within a day or within a week it's gonna explode back to 20 cents. It's gonna be a while because it is the monthly chart. So that's why you got to look at the higher time frames as well. And let me look at the MACD before I go. So far looking good here on the MACD. Monthly, the monthly is just going sideways. Interesting. We already crossed under. We're probably gonna get some. Yeah, we're probably gonna get some downside. That's fine. And the RSI, what's that looking like? RSI has not cooled yet. We need. I'll probably. Yeah, I think if it comes down to double zero, low double zero six, high double zero fives, the RSI is probably going to be at like 30s. So that's probably going to be a good buy opportunity down there, just based on the RSI and the level that it's going to be at that point. And where's the volume? What's the volume looking like? I rarely look at these indicators, but I think right now I want to know what's going on. Yeah, we're just the volume's kind of It's kind of in a where is it? Yeah, right now it's in what I like to call the quiet period. This is just the kind of volume where people are just accumulating. I don't know why people are accumulating up here so high. I guess people really. I don't know. Let me. Is it because it's getting ready to go to 1 penny? Because if it holds here, we're technically speaking, if it holds here, we are in a ascending triangle. If it holds here and bounces, and but we'll see if it holds because it usually likes to tease the breakdown here, but it doesn't break down. It usually holds it. So, but I'm in it. I bought just in case it does. Right now decide someone drops a hot PR and it goes to 1 penny. That way I can flip it for a quick 30%. So that's why I bought in, but I didn't buy too big of a position. I'll wait to buy my bigger position if it comes down to my levels. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.